Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your Jis News for Friday, January 29. Jamaica has improved its ranking on the 2015 Corruption Perception Index (CPI). The latest report shows that Jamaica is ranked at 69 out of 168 countries. Jamaica was ranked 85 out of 175 countries in 2014. Justice Minister Senator Mark Golding says he's heartened by Jamaica's ranking, which he says underscores the progress being made in combating corruption. In a release, the minister said Jamaica was one of 11 countries that improved rankings by 16 or more places. He added that Jamaica had also moved closer to being among the least corrupt in the Americas, as no other country in the Americas improved by that margin. The Justice Minister attributed Jamaica's improvement on the CPI to a number of initiatives, including the passing of various pieces of legislation. These include the Proceeds of Crime Amendment Act, the Financial Investigations Division Amendment Act, the Criminal Justice Suppression of Criminal Organizations Act, and the Law Reform Fraudulent Transactions Special Provisions Act. As of February 1, government will begin providing group health, group life, and personal accident insurance coverage for eligible athletes in Jamaica. This follows Wednesday's launch of the Jamaica Athletes Insurance Plan by Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller. The plan will provide coverage for 1,323 athletes representing 28 national associations and federations.
Some of the services offered under the plan include basic health services, major medical, overseas medical emergencies, and maternity benefits, dental and optical.
Guardian Life Insurance will provide group health coverage, while allied insurance brokers will provide life and personal accident insurance coverage. Each athlete's life insurance coverage is valued at $2.25 million, and they're covered for up to $2.5 million each for accidental death and dismemberment. Government will fund 95% of the insurance premiums, while the remainder will be funded by the national sport associations and federations. The Jamaica Athletes Insurance Plan is funded by the Sports Development Foundation, the Tourism Enhancement Fund, the National Health Fund, and the Culture, Health, Arts, Sports and Education Chase Fund. Government will be contracting the services of retired public health inspectors to help eradicate mosquito breeding sites across the country. The move comes as preparations for the Zika virus intensify.
We are calling out all retired public health inspectors who have retired in the last 2 years, those persons who are fit and healthy and can work. We're bringing them out for 3 months, first contract for 3 months, to come and say, help in this drive we have now.
The health minister made the announcement on Tuesday at Food for the Poor's headquarters in Spanish Town, where the charity handed over 76 semi-electric hospital beds to the public health sector. Food for the Poor chairman Andrew Mafood revealed that the charity was working closely with the ministry on its Zika preparedness activities.
We do have foggers coming, we have a full container of paracetamols coming, and we have a container of repellent as well coming. And we will work closely with the minister to improve and be at his beckon for whatever needs he has as he prepares the nation for Zik V and the other Vs that seem likely to come.
In the meantime, the Education Ministry has designated Friday, February 5 as a National Cleanup Day to reduce mosquito breeding in schools in light of the threat from the Zika virus. As part of the intervention, the ministry will be sensitizing parents and community members on the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of the Zika virus. Parents and other persons are urged to participate in the school cleanup through the PTAs and other community groups. Schools are to partner with their parish councils, community groups, and the Ministry of Health regional offices to facilitate successful execution of these activities. School administrators were also directed to submit a list of the required resources to support the cleanup exercise to their regional office by Friday, January 29. The Education Ministry is urging persons to look for and remove current and possible breeding sites once per week. In other health news, 2 fetal heart rate machines have been presented to the Cornwall Regional Hospital and are expected to significantly help with the monitoring of patients late in their pregnancy and during labor. The machines were donated by Friends of the Ulster Spring Hospital in Trelawney. The group also donated similar equipment to the Ulster Spring and Falmouth hospitals. Western Regional Health Authority Regional Director Dr. Ken Garfield Douglas says the items are critical to the care of pregnant mothers.
We are being impacted, fully impacted in terms of our communities can now look forward to a better quality of care.
And finally, the Ministry of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining has awarded the Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS, with a 2016 electricity license, which will allow for significant changes in the sector. It follows Cabinet's approval in 2015 of a number of changes to the amended and restated All-Island Electric License 2011 and the Office of Utilities Regulation Act. These have put in place a redesigned tariff structure guided by government policy. Energy Minister Philip Paulwell says the new license will enable JPS to earn profits in a fair and transparent manner.
What we have now are terms that will enable more investment, greater security, and for the country to benefit. The new license also recognizes the importance of change that has occurred over a number of years, and in particular, the role of renewable energy.
And that's it for Jis News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thanks for watching.